Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss about the email message format in internet technology and management. It consists of two parts. The first part is header, which contains the information about the message, and the second part is body, which contain the text field. The header contain the external information about the message, and body contain the internal information about the message. So, header contains information about from describe who sent the message to the address to which the email is sent and data, the subject, user summary of the message content, CC carbon copy recipients and BCC blind carbon copy recipients. Here the body contains the text of messages and any attachment to be sent. Now we will discuss about the processes of email. The email work on the client server model, as basically email client are the users who wish to use the email facility. The basic functionality of the client includes create new email address, list of contacts, etc. Both the sender of email and the recipients of email are email clients. So the email servers is a combination of processes running on a server with a large storage capacity, a list of users and rules, and the capability to receive, send, and store emails and attachments. These servers are designed to operate without constant user interactions. Here you can see the diagram of client server architecture in the email system. Thank you.